Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, we will discuss opportunities and challenges of online banking in Nepal. And this video is very much helpful for all the banking examinations. And if you are new in our channel, please do subscribe our channel and do not forget to like this video. So now let's start the video. Opportunities and challenges of online banking in Nepal. Financial sector plays an important role in the economic growth of a country. Information and technology has become a very necessary tool in the current situation. Nepal's banking sector is operating in a globalized, privatized, liberalized and competitive environment. At the same time, a strong and healthy banking system plays an important role in the economic development of a country. With the advancement in information and communication technology, the banking sector are accepting technological change. At the same time, they are adopting new technology and providing best services towards their customers and remaining competitive in the market. Likewise, one of the latest technologies adopted in the banking industry is internet banking. Using internet banking, customers can perform financial transactions electronically through a personal computer, laptop, and mobile phones at a convenience time and from convenience places without reaching concerned branches in regular operating hours. Similarly, internet banking is a very recent phenomenon in Nepal. The era of modern banking in Nepal started with Nabil Bank introducing credit cards in the early 1990s. Likewise, Himalayan Bank had introduced an ATM and Nepali credit card for the domestic market in 1995. Likewise, in 2002, Kumari Bank introduced e-banking or internet banking service for the first time in the Nepal. In 2004, Lakshmi Bank introduced SMS banking or mobile banking services for the first time in the country. In the starting days, online banking services were mainly used to check account statements only. Customers were not much aware regarding the purposes of online banking and uses of online banking. It took a long time for online banking technology to be adopted widely. The adaptation of the internet and smartphone made online banking easy. Customers can now use mobile devices and the internet to do their banking operation without visiting bank branches. Similarly, e-banking adopters use the basic banking facilities such as cash receive and withdraw, balance inquiry, regular and scheduled payment. Only a few percentages use other facilities such as inter-account fund transfer and online purchasing. This is basically because of the security and confidentiality concern of the customers regarding these facilities of e-banking. Risk management, infrastructure development, and policy formulation are the three major challenges of e-banking in Nepal. Technological problems like connection break in service while withdrawing cash from ATMs, poor mobile services are creating obstacles in the development of e-banking in Nepal. An adequate level of infrastructure and human capacity building are required before banks adopt full-fledged of e-banking. In Nepal, e-banking is at its infancy right now and the system is not perfectly secure. However, no e-banking frauds have been found yet. Following information technology, best delivery channels are provided by banks in Nepal: e-banking, internet banking, mobile banking, plastic cards, automated teller machine ATM and point of sale POS machine, mobile wallet or digital wallet. While both bankers and customers have opportunity as well as challenges from internet banking services in Nepal, some of the opportunities and challenges are listed below. First of all, let's see the opportunities for bankers. First one is banks can assist new customers. Internet technology has the potential to fundamentally change banks and the banking industry. All banks can benefit from e-banking by offering innovative products and assessing new customers. Similarly, opportunities for bankers. Number second point is banks can provide services to customers of remote area. Banks can offer their services in areas where they have no physical presence in the form of branch and extension counters. They can benefit from the reduced cost of e-banking. Instead of establishing a new branch in a remote area, they can access new geographical areas without establishing new branches. Similarly, third point says bank can minimize their operational cost and maximize income. Banking transactions through multiple channels of e-banking can reduce the cost than establishing new branches and investing on staff and other regular operating costs. The cost of banking transaction in a physical branch cost higher than transaction cost performed through e-banking. Meanwhile, opportunities for bankers. Number fourth point, workload for bank employees can be reduced. Tellers and bank officers' workload can be reduced and they can spend working time more efficiently as the number of customers on the queue becomes less and bank seems less crowded. Bank employees and customers often feel stressed and less comfortable looking at the length of queues. Similarly, number fifth point, service quality provided to customers can be upgraded. Bank offering e-banking services is perceived as an innovator and technologically leading in the banking industry. Their public image is perceived far better than other banks. The good name and reputation of a bank helps to strengthen the brand and image in customers' minds. Good perception towards the bank and less number of customers inside the bank can improve service quality. Likewise, opportunities for bankers. Number sixth point, new opportunities can be created. The internet has created many business models like e-commerce, e-money, e-payments, e-shopping, e-seva, digital wallet, QR code, etc., which creates many new opportunities having lots of potential to attract customers and retain existing customers. Now let's see these some of the challenges for bankers through the online banking or internet banking. First one is security risk. Every channel of online banking has its own security problems, but for bankers due to security risk, customers may switch to other banks. Internet connection problem, hackers, computer virus, spyware, malware, and many other issues are concerned in e-banking. There are many cases of theft, fake ATM cards, password hacking, etc., which creates challenges for bankers. This is the most critical factor that negatively influence or impact customers of e-banking. Likewise, the second challenges for bankers, that is high investment in adoption of new technology and maintaining the technological infrastructure. High investment is required in the initial stage to install new technology for e-banking. To design, develop and implement e-banking services and supporting new technology, huge budget are required. Besides the initial investment, maintenance cost for servers, database management, security systems, software upgrading, networking, telecommunication, technology maintenance demands huge amounts of budget of a bank. Similarly, challenges for bankers. Number third point, that is training for staffs. The staffs are responsible for operating alternative channels of online banking. Staff must have good knowledge about new technologies, business and legal matters to operate an online banking system. There should be different training programs for the bank employees in order to acquire the skills and background required for promoting the use of e-banking to customers of their bank. So these three are the major challenges for bankers, that is security risk, high investment in adoption of new technology and maintaining the technological infrastructure, and last one is training for staffs. Now let's move towards the opportunities and challenges of online banking for customers. Now let's discuss the opportunities for customers by online banking or internet banking. First one is time saving. Customers are free to use the service and perform transactions 24 hours per day all the year from a convenience place. These alternative channels for using banking service are not limited to office hours, which saves time of customers. Number second, access from remote areas. Customers can gain access to their bank accounts from remote areas, also where they could connect to the internet. They can pay tax, utility bills, administrative expenses, loan installment, insurance premium, and perform other banking transactions from any part of the world. The only requirements is internet connection. Likewise, opportunities for customer number third point is very low charge and often cashback offers. Bank charges less than Nepalese rupees 500 or even free services are provided for online banking or e-banking. Customer can perform many transactions as per their need without any cost. The exceptional case is only in case of using an ATM through other banks. Banks are also providing cashback offers and discounts for motivating customers to use online payment systems and performing e-banking transactions. Number fourth, opportunities for customers. Easiness in paying utility bills. Customers can easily pay telephone bills, drinking water bills, electricity bills, tax, and many more, where most customers have to get in line for several hours to pay bills. The customers can spend time more efficiently rather than standing in those queues. Now, let's describe some of the challenges for customers by using online or internet banking. First one is infrastructural barriers. Though customers have mobile and laptop devices with internet connection, there are many infrastructural barriers, including telecommunication networks, bandwidth capacity, electricity, special equipment and devices, and many more. Sometimes customers get in trouble due to these barriers. It is one of the challenges for implementation and development of e-banking in Nepal. Number second challenges, that is lack of technological skill. Technological skill is most essential to customers to operate e-banking transactions. Non-familiarity and lack of required technological skill, that is using computers, ATMs, mobile phones, cannot benefit from e-banking services. Most customers have problems browsing the internet. Similarly, challenges for customers. Number third challenges, that is security issues. Security issues are the greatest challenges for adopting the e-banking products and services by the customers. Personal information may be misused and bank accounts may be hacked. Security issues have been identified as the most important challenge for customers as well as bankers. So in this challenges for customer, we discussed the lack of technological skill, infrastructural barriers, and the security issues, and somehow we able to identify some of the opportunities and challenges of online banking for both customers and bankers. Now let's see the conclusion. In Nepal, there is only limited services such as account information, fund transfer, balance inquiry, statement view and print, fixed deposit account opening, utility payment, credit card management, connection IPS, phone pay, e-Seva wallet, and QR code, etc. are provided by the banks through the online banking system. The major problems facing by Nepalese banking are the low response rate from customers and the implementation of security and data protection mechanism. Likewise, the relatively low internet usage, the non-familiarity with the technologically advanced devices, and problems regarding security and privacy are the major factors that have a negative impact on the adoption of e-banking services by customers in Nepal. Similarly, to grab the opportunities and tackle the challenges provided by the e-banking system, the banking institutions must invest more on convincing the customers that the banks have adopted more advanced system to make transactions secure and trustworthy. By the meantime, e-banking education program to the banking customers is also required to uplift the industry in this regard. So this is all about the opportunities and challenges of online banking or internet banking in Nepal. And I hope you like this video, and in next video we will come up with the more informations regarding the banking examination. Till then, watch our channel, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like this video and share this video in your friend circle. And thank you for watching us once again. Thank you.